daai nog aan?
Want jy het nou aangesit.
And there you have it. That is a 1984-83, I'm not sure, Toyota Cressida. So we bought this as our next project car, a little fun toy thing we're going to have. Its name is Vaalkatryn. It's a 2.8i Toyota Cressida. It has lots of character, lots of faults, but it's just for fun. And it's a cool car. Now I was going to do a driving scene with it, but currently it is not moving that well. I'll get to that point now. But yes, this is it. Our Toyota Cressida. We've done a lot of work to it. We fixed the roof rack, we put in LED lights at the back, we fixed up the paint job, we took off some stickers, spray painted the bonnet, which didn't come out nicely, so we ended up making black chalk, but it's actually pretty cool because people can write on it now. What else did we do? We did a ton of work on it. We added a speaker system, a sound system. This car already is very fancy for what it is. It's a like I said, 1983, 84-ish, around there. It has got overdrive, it has got aircon, which doesn't work. It has got cruise control, which I haven't tested. We added some more lights just because these lights work, but they were dim. The electric mirrors work, seats are comfy, it's automatic. Yes, there's so much fancy stuff inside of this for how old it is. It still drives decently, or it did. Yes. Okay, hold up, let's take it a few steps back. So after we got the car, we first needed to fix it up a little. So we got some parts, fixed some parts up, got new tires, had the shocks replaced, all those things. And also removed some of the old stickers because we wanted the car to look fresh and new. Along with the stickers removed, we started respraying some of the parts just to make it look new again. Well, new-ish relatively speaking. I then started with the roof rack. Disassembling the old wooden pieces that were already broken and not looking in too good shape. I then met up with Ben and Derek, who helped me with the new wooden planks for the roof rack.
Dank jy Nika.
Dis wat ek ons nou gesê het. En as
Nice.
jy so 'n bietjie kyk, kom hy
Maar fucked up, maar nice.
En hier as 'n
Ben kindly supplied the wood, and with the help of Derek, Ben and Edwin, we put the roof rack together in the afternoon. And then we carried on to the next problem.
Daai,
Ja, ek sien dit.
'n rooi kabel.
Nee, is swart sleeving. Binne die swart sleeving is daar 'n klomp paals. 3 rooies, 2 swartes.
Okay, so we are trying to get that LED bar to work. So there's a switch, there's multiple...
as in Ben and Derek.
Okay, Ben and Derek. There's multiple cables running around everywhere in the car, so we're just trying to figure out what's going where. But we are just going to... What? So we're just going to get, we know a switch that has power, so we're just going to run from that power source up to the light bar switch, and then it, touch wood, should work.
Oei, hierdie is daai een want hy's gekrip daar.
Ja.
Okay. Jou kop is in die pad.
Ek wag om dit uitkrap. Ek sit vas.
Jy moet
Ek kan dit insit en dan draai jy dit.
Okay, maar as jy dit insit en dit draai, dan pop dit uit.
Okay, maar ek moet dit styf vashou.
Wat van mens maak dit net styf voor jy dit insit? Sien?
Wat sien?
Jy is nou net dood teen mekaar. Hoe kom jy daai nog aan?
Want jy het nou aangesit.
Okay.
Dit gaan nou werk.
O, dit gaan nou is daai ook aan. Jy sien dis weer.
Dis.
Wat?
So dit aan?
Ja, maar dis 'n sweet verkeerde kant om.
Het jy hom laat werk?
Nee.
Is die mekaar.
So after giving up on a faulty light bar and very confusing cabling, we headed over to Edwin's workshop, where our next mission was to fit the bash plate. This bash plate originally came off of a Prado, so naturally we had to cut it and make it work to fit on the Cressida. Okay, I want to show you guys why we were struggling with the bash plate. So, bash plate, don't know how to show you. Then here's the nut, or well, here's the screw, and the nut's in there. So we cut a little square out of the bash plate. Here's a little hole in the A-frame of the car. So you have to try and get something in here to hold this nut. So we, where to go? So we bent the spanner, so this spanner will stay with this car now. This spanner goes in like this. Wow, got it first time again, I think. Well, yeah. You guess where the nut is, try and hook the spanner on, and then you can turn this thing over there. So, hey, your hand was there. So, good luck to the person that having to take this off. At Ben's place now. We finished the bash plate at Edwin's workshop, and now we're in Ben's workshop. We're going to try and sand the bonnet down and then just respray it basically.
Hy speel weer slim.
As jy in die lug kyk kan jy sien hoe sleg dit lyk. Okay, so we resprayed the bonnet yesterday, but it looked horrible. So we are redoing it, and that's why we're using school chalkboard paint. We're going to try that. Paint should be thicker, so it should cover the imperfections, and then hopefully, well, our plan is so that you can write on it with chalk. Then sort of like a little feature thingy of it. So let's see how that goes. As long as it goes in a biggie op uitgooi, I guess.
Ja.
Because you don't know who you're going to meet.
Michael, do you know what you're doing?
No fucking idea.
Simple electronics, huh?
Yeah. Back in the day.
Sylvia, what the fuck? What is that?
The heating element in the fucking heat gauge and fuel gauge.
A heating element in the fuel gauge.
Yes. To demist it.
For a 1983 car. Holy shit.
This 1983 Toyota Cressida model came with a full digital cluster. Unfortunately, and after many attempts, we still have not been able to fix it, but we are still going to try to restore it.
Oh, there you go, bro. That's that Ferry Autosport.
Life's
Just
so
put the sponsored. It's like your. What is this? Is this your daily?
At the moment, yes.
That's so sick, dude. And you don't get pulled over.
Not yet, touch wood.
With this fucking my boy. You must be pulling so many chicks.
Yeah,
with this kind
turns
of
heads.
Yeah. Dude, this is mad. I love it. I absolutely love it. And it's got power. And the windows work. That is.
It's got cruise control. Lights don't really work.
Dude. This thing is sick. Subscribe to this man just for this car. Like, this is mad, dude.
I had the car for like 2 weeks. We were working on the car, everything good. I came out here to film it now, and now it's giving us heat issues. Well, the thermostat just kept climbing, it went over 100, but the engine doesn't feel hot, so we could think it could be the thermostat that's giving issues or whatever. But yeah, we have to sort that out because the rally starts on Wednesday. We're using the car on the rally on Wednesday. So I film the details and I'll get some driving stuff and more information for you guys later. Let's hope it's not a head gasket and then it's just the thermostat. Coming up in our next video, we will have to see if Vaalkatryn can survive the nuts and bolts rally.